Shumaila Saeed and I'm a certified IT professional, Microsoft certified IT professional, and it's been quite a while that I'm in IT. So I'm in the IT field from quite a long bit now, and it's been a while I'm working in IT. And certification, as I said, like I'm Microsoft certified professional, like MCSE, and VMware VCP certified. I'm planning to do my ITIL and certification for my Citrix. I found NetSoft from my family friends, and they are also a part of NetSoft previously, so they recommended me. So far I've gone through 9 courses in NetSoft. So if you compare, or you can say like over here in NetSoft, you find yourself more being to the practical side, more towards hands-on, and relatively with the theory as well, but it adds on the practical knowledge, more enhanced your knowledge towards practical stuff. So the only difference you find in NetSoft is like they are more towards hands-on, and it will enhance your practical knowledge. Plus you are being attended as an individual, not as a group. Like they pay more attention on each and every student and their progress. So the difference between other colleges and the NetSoft trainers is like they are more committed and more dedicated to their work, and they are very creative in a sense that they bring you to the benchmark where NetSoft required your technical skill set should be set upon. It depends on the nature of the course you're conducting at NetSoft. So intensity, it leads you towards more hands-on and practical knowledge and comprehension, that you keep those skills, keep at petty points to store in your mind and stick to there, and it will help you in very quick knowledge when you are moving in your production environment. Over here you've been challenged by different scenarios and different situations where you have to see yourself and judge that whatever the benchmark and the skill set you are forecasting for yourself, either you are working perfectly fine with them, or you really need to take some steps to progress yourself. So far I cannot say any cons, and I cannot see any cons in my infrastructure analyst program, but pros, like I see myself being grooming day by day with the technical stuff and this technical knowledge, and my skill set is like setting up higher and higher day by day. So there are quite few of them, and every other day like I keep on hearing some new stories and from my colleagues and from my subordinates that how they accomplish their success rates with the help of NetSoft. So throughout your diploma program, you have to be very dedicated and committed, and only persistent effort can lead you for success. So it will really hard to number you in a time basis, but make sure like whatever time you get after work or after other stuffs in your life, it's better to be utilized to enhance your knowledge. So like as I mentioned, that to build up your skill set, the major role is that how you carry yourself and groomed up to present you as a product or as a active person in a market. So NetSoft played a very vital role in it, and they definitely give you some key points to look into it, how you manage your resume, how you tackle your interviews, and what gonna be the challenges in the market. And they groomed you in a very, very, very good shape, so that you will be very confident when you move back to the market and claim your experiences. I'm proud of to be a part of NetSoft because continuous learning and continuous efforts bring my knowledge bar really high, and I feel very confident. And now I learned a lot how to live above the line and how to come out of your comfort zone, especially. So far my favorite course is the Citrix, because I found it very interesting, and although I worked on it, but when you dig into the information about Citrix, you fall in love with that technology. It's a very pretty good smart technology in the market right now. Because of their unique identity, their good management, and the way they tackle your situation, and they understand you very well, they drive you in the right direction, and it's ultimately the better benefits is yours. But NetSoft it's a complete package to rely on. So if you are looking forward to join NetSoft, feel free, and you are in a safe hands. I bet you that. And only thing which is required from you is dedication and the hard work.